Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Shopify account. To begin your e-commerce journey, visit the Shopify website and click the Start Free Trial button. You will then enter your email address, create a strong password, and choose a unique name for your online store. After providing some basic business details, you will be directed to your Shopify admin dashboard. This dashboard is your central hub for managing everything, so take a few moments to explore its features and layout. Once your account is set up, the next exciting step is to design your online store. Shopify offers a vast selection of themes, both free and paid, to help you create a visually appealing shop. Choose a theme that aligns with your brand and then customize it to make it truly yours. You can easily upload your business logo, adjust color schemes, and select fonts to ensure brand consistency. Remember to also create important pages such as About Us and Contact to provide valuable information to your customers. With your card added, it's time to activate NFC for payments. Go to your phone settings and enable near-field communication. Next, select Google Wallet as your default payment application for contactless transactions. To make a payment, simply hold your phone near the payment terminal. Your device will prompt you to confirm the payment, often with a fingerprint or PIN, completing the transaction in just a few seconds. Before launching, perform a comprehensive test of your entire store. Place a few test orders using a bogus gateway to ensure the checkout process, shipping calculations, and payment integrations all function perfectly. Once satisfied, connect a custom domain name to give your store a professional and memorable web address. Finally, remove the password protection from your store settings to make it live and accessible to customers worldwide. Now, you are ready to promote your new online business.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.